Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday, September the 12th, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a day in the life again. So if you stay tuned, you will see what is going to be following. We're going to be going to the Airshow today. Ryan and I are about to make some cookies, and I guess we'll just kind of see what happens as the day goes along, so stay tuned with us. So we're just preheating the oven right now because Ryan and I are making some pumpkin cookies, the Pillsbury brand.
They're so nice.
So we're very excited for Halloween and fall. So we thought this would be a nice little activity to do together today. We got the baking sheet. We have opened our pumpkin cookies and we're gonna put them on the baking tray.
Oh yes.
All right. All right. Bye, babies.
Oh, Bella Beans. Look at your hair. Look at your hair. You look.
Just gonna check on these cookies. They're looking good.
We'll go back outside.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm. They're lovely. They're just perfect.
Where are we going?
To the air show. I always eat these or my ears will die.
Okay, so yeah, that was like 4 hours. We've been here. That is a wrap. We're gonna go home and go eat some supper.
The air show went very well. Now I just have to deal with this sunburn on my forehead. We're at the local Kentucky Fucky Chicken outlet on Dundas Street to get some chicken bowls. They're very satisfying. Mashed potatoes with little pieces of chicken with gravy and shredded cheese on top. It makes for a very satisfying meal, and it's easy on Dad's wallet.
One moment, please.
Oh. I know my hearing's working now. I don't have to schedule my hearing check at the doctor. Can I get 5 of the chicken bowls, please?
I'm sorry?
5 chicken bowls.
The chicken bowls?
Yeah. Can I get 5 of those?
Yeah, 1 second.
I hope they're low fat.
That's everything?
Yeah.
Okay, so $29.90 and I'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I like chicken bowls. Got my chicken bowls. It's gonna be a good meal. Alright, use that debit machine there. Gotta make sure we lather up with the sanitizer. So the transaction at KFC is a COVID-free transaction.
Hey guys, I just wanted to thank each and every single one of you who came along with my family today and watched this video. Your support means a lot to me and I really hope that you enjoyed each and every moment. I hope that each of you are doing well and I'm sending all of you my well wishes. I love you all and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.